Hello everyone, welcome to Elementor Pro series. In this series, I will explain about all Elementor Pro widgets. Not only that, I will show you how easily you can create really cool options using those Pro widgets.
In this tutorial, I will show you everything about Testimonial Carousel Widget. We will also create this cool section using this awesome widget.
I am Fahd Ahmed with you, the instructor. Let's get started. By the way, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can get that from the link in the description. And trust me, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you will be missing out on a lot of things. And as you're learning Elementor Pro from me, I also have a special gift for you. So check out the description.
Alright, so this is the Testimonial Carousel Widget. Let's first have a look what options we have for this widget. Let's drag it to here. Okay, here it is. Let's see the options. Here is the first option is slides. I mean how many slides is here. Here is by default 3 slides. We can add another item by clicking this added item button, and we can simply delete this by clicking this cross icon here. If we open any of item, we will see here is the content. This content, we can change the content from here. Then here is the image option. This image, we can change the image from here. I am selecting this image. Okay, then here is the name. This name, we can change the name from here. And here is the title, the CEO, this title, we can change the title from here also. Now let's hide it. The next option is skin. It's default now. We will select the bubble one. See, the design is changed and this design is also cool. We will go back to the default one. Now here is the layout option. We can change the layout from here. From here we can select image stack. See, now the style is changed. We also can select the image above option. See, now the image is top of the carousel. Now we can see the image left option, and we can also see the image right option. Okay, now let's go back to first one. Okay, then here is the alignment. We can set it left or right or center. Then here is slide per view. How many slides you want to see here? You can select one item or two item. I'm selecting one. Then here is slide to scroll. When you scroll this, how many slides will scroll together? By default it's 1. If I click 1, you will see one item is go from right to left. So you can make it 2 or 3 as you want. I'm selecting 1. Then here is the width option. You can increase or decrease the width from here. Okay, then here is the additional option. Here is the arrow. From here you can hide the arrow, these arrows. See, now the arrows are gone. Let's show them. Then here is the pagination dot. You can also change the pagination to fraction number. See, now here is a fraction number. Okay, you can also change it to progress bar. See, here is a progress bar added. If we click this one, the progress bar will be increased, and the third one. Okay, it's so nice. Let's go back, nothing. Then here is the autoplay option. The slide will be play automatically. Here is the speed, and here is the infinity loop, and here is the option of pause on hover. If we hover this, the slide will be paused. If you want, you can keep this. Now here is another option, image size full. You can change image size from here, or you can keep it full. Now let's go to the style. Here is the space between. Here is 10 pixel. If we select two items, then we can see the space, but we select one, so we can see any change here. Here is the background color option. We can select a background color from here. Okay, then here is the border size. You can set any border here. Let's select a border 2 pixel. Okay, then you can set a border radius from here. Okay, you can also set a border color, red color. Then here is the padding option. You can increase the padding like 50 pixel. Okay, then here is the content option. Here is the gap between the content and the headshot. Here is content color. You can change the content color from here. Then here is typography option. You can change the font size, font weight, or anything you can change from here. Okay, then here is the name, this name option. You can change the color also from here. Okay, typography, you also can change the font size. Okay, then here is the title, this title CEO, you can also change the color to white. Okay, then here is the typography, you can change the typography. Okay, then here is the image option, you can increase the image size from here. Okay, then here is the image gap option, image and the title. Then here is border radius option, image border radius option. Okay, then here is the navigation style. Here is the arrow size, you can increase or decrease the size. See, the arrows are more large now. We can change the arrows color from here. Okay, and here is the advanced option as well. You can set any margin, padding, background, or you can set any motion effect here.
Cool. Now let's create a few cool sections using this widget, so you would get a better idea how to use this widget in real life. And before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe into this YouTube channel. Otherwise, you may don't find those valuable videos on your home feed next time. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe into this channel.
Now let's create. At first we will take a new section here. We will stretch the section. Let's go to the style. We will set a background from here. We will select #FA. Okay. Now we will set a border. Solid. Let's unbind this. We will set a border at top 1 pixel and bottom also 1 pixel. The color will be #GDD. Now we will go to the layout and we will set a minimum height here. We will set it to VH and we will make it 70 VH. Okay. Now we will go to the element and we will drag a title here. We will change the text from here. We will make it center. We will go to the style tab. We will make it black color. Okay. Now we will go to the typography from here. We will increase the font size. We will make the font weight 300. Okay, now it's looking cool. Then we will go to the element and we will drag a testimonial carousel here. Okay, now we will go to the first item. We will change the text from here. Okay, we will change the name from here. Okay, now we will change the title, and last we will add an image here. Let's add this one. Okay, now we will delete this one and we will duplicate this. Now we will go to layout and we will select this one. Okay, then we will go to the style tab and we will go to content. We will change the text color from here, maybe this one but low opacity. Okay, it's looking nice. Then we will go to the name option and we will change the color to black. Okay, then the typography, we will set the font size 16 pixel and the letter spacing we will make it 2 or 1. Okay, then we will go to the title, we will change the color. Okay, it's looking nice. Then we will go to typography, font size 12 pixel and the font weight 600, text transform uppercase and letter spacing 5. Okay, it's looking nice now. Let's go back. Here is the image option. We will increase the image size from here 100 pixel. Okay, it's looking nice. Here is the navigation option. We will change the navigation color, arrows color from here, the black one. Okay, and the dotted color also black one. Okay, now let's go back to content. From here we will reduce the width. Okay, it's looking really nice now. This way we can add a testimonial carousel area in our website.
Alright, so this is it for now. If you want to know about all the details of other Elementor Pro widgets, I have a complete tutorial on that. I will put that link in the description also. If you want to learn how to create a website from scratch using Elementor or Elementor Pro, you can check out other full website creation tutorials. I will put these links in the description as well. And if you need any professional help regarding Elementor, WordPress or e-commerce, from small minor fixing to a complete website creation, you can contact through our website. Just go to the heywordpress.com and click to the Make My Website button. It will fly you to this page you might be searching for. Here is a simple form, just fill it up and click to the Submit Request button. We will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you soon.